Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Eddie Chiba. But before we begin, I would advise to watch the whole video. And at the end of the video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share as much as you want to whoever you want. It'll be greatly appreciated. But first, I'd like to make a nice quick video on your eternal seed and show you how it works and why it works. And it really does work. Lately, these past couple of days, I've been myself receiving gifts while I sleep. I wake up in the morning, I see gifts on my PayPal and on my bank account because that's how I like to receive the gifts, either through PayPal or Zelle. You can do it through Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle. If you look at my other videos, I'll explain it, I explain all that, how it goes. But in this video right here, I'm just going to show you how it works. And it really does work. This is a beautiful platform. We can help a lot of people, especially right now that we all need some sort of help coming from somewhere. And this is a credible source of income to help you either buy food, pay your rent, pay your mortgage, uh, you know, anything you need. It'll help you, especially we need it right now. All right, so let's begin right now. Let's go to my page right here. Here we go right here. This is the page. As you can see, that's my name. Oops, here we go. Let's scroll up. This is my name. Eddie Chiba is my username. This is my link. These are the boards that we all in. Well, we all start from the $25 board. Right now, I'm in a $25 and $100 board. These are the boards that I was and I am in now. These boards that I retired, I was in all of these boards. They all retired. I already retired a $25 board. I'm about to retire another $25 board right there. Let's click on this board so we can show you how it works, how it looks. As it clicks on, here we go. All right, here we are. Now we in. All right, let me get this light right here. Boom, bam, here we go. It's my name right there. I'm the senior on this board. And as you can see, everything goes through color coordination. My name is in blue. Some names are in green and some names are in black. As you can see what it's saying here, names in blue have two or more invitees. And in this system, in this platform, all you need is two people that you invite. That's all you really need. Not saying that you can invite more. I mean, why not? The system goes up quicker and you get gifted quicker. It's always best that way. But if you just invite two, nothing wrong with that. Listen, if you really can't invite nobody, because I know there's always problems with people not believing. People thinks everything is a scam, that everyone's trying to get you. It's not the way everything is. Most things aren't scammed. A lot of these things, all you gotta do is put some work in. Once the people see that you gotta put work in, they're afraid. Now they think everything's a scam. Meanwhile, they want everything quick. They claim everything to be a scam. They don't want to be done with a scam. But when they see how much work they have to put in, they quit. So what is it? You want to put work in or you don't want to put work in? So a lot of people are confused. As long as you're not confused, you know what you're doing, you know what you want to do, this will work for you. All right. So like you can see, most names are in blue. People whose names are in blue have two or more invitees. This name is in green. This name is in green. That means they have one invitee. The names in black have no invitees yet. And if you're on the board and your name is in red, that means you haven't gifted the senior yet. And for most people, myself included, when you get on this board, when you're ready to give the senior, do it within 24 to 48 hours. If not, usually the senior will take you off the board. Not mean they're gonna take you off the platform, but they will take you off the board. Because why wait for a week or two when you're gonna get gifted in a day or two? I mean, you know what I'm saying? I mean, why not? Let me put this up right here so you can see everything. So right here, I've been gifted one, two, three, four, 5 times, and this was all these gifts came overnight while I slept. I woke up in the morning, so saw some gifts in my PayPal, saw some gifts in my bank account. I put in work. You put in work once, and it just keeps gifting you. It just keeps gifting you. It really does work. Everybody does the right thing together with integrity, with good responsibility and good character. This really does work. Like I said, when you're ready to gift a senior, do it within a day or two, preferably a day. This way, everything could go smoothly and everything could go quicker. I mean, we're not in this to make it last long, so you can get gifted within the next week or 2 weeks. No, we want to get gifted as soon as we can so we can keep the boards moving. We all need help. We all have to help each other. We all need these things quick. Christmas is coming up. A lot of us are not doing so good. A lot of us are laid off. A lot of us are now working part time. A lot of us are not working at all. So we all need these gifts, man. It's very important. I mean, we all have to help each other. And I've been getting help and helping people I don't know and people that I do know. So this week I've been gifted by people that I never met in my life. I met them through YouTube. We spoke a little bit, and we've been helping each other. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. It works. It really does work. You understand what I'm saying? So here we go. So these four people right here, one, two, three, four, five, have gifted me so far. Now I'm waiting for three more people to close this board. So I started with 25. This is a $25 board. So I end up receiving gift of $200. Once I do that, this board will close and it'll be retired. Very simple. Let's close this board right now. I'm gonna show you the other board I'm on. I'm also on this $100 board right here. See where it goes a little slower. Right here we go. Bounce coming on right now. See, this is the $100 board. Same color coordinations. Every board is the same. Every board looks the same. It's just 25, $100 board, $500 board, $1,000 board, and $3,000 board. You know what I'm saying? And you always have eight people that's gonna gift you. Let me get this light right here once again. Boom, so we can see here. You always have eight freshmen that'll gift you, and you only put people on the $25 board where you initially begin. The $25 board, that's the only time you put at least two people on when you're a sophomore. Like I said, there's the freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior. Right here, I'm at the senior level. I'll be getting a gift from eight freshmen. That'll be $100 from each freshman. That'll be an $800 gift right here for Eddie Chiba. That's me. So as you can see, most people here are in blue. Some people are in black. They need some invitees. The sophomore here will be inviting at least two people each. Four sophomores invites two people. That will equal eight freshmen, and the eight freshmen will always gift the senior. That's how this works. It's extremely simple. I mean, think about it. Look how simple it is, and it works. I mean, I'm getting it in my sleep. I mean, why not? I go to work. As a matter of fact, one of the day I was working, I got a buzz from PayPal. Boom, while I was working, I got gifted $25. I mean, how beautiful is that? You can't go wrong with this. You understand what I'm saying? It's a beautiful system, and it really does work. Oops, here we go. And it really does work. Let me close this window right here. You can see these are my invitees, all in blue. Everybody's on a $25 board. It shows you everything is in full transparency. You can see everything, unlike like I keep saying, it's not your traditional susu or your flower. I don't deal with that. I was involved in it once. I didn't have a good experience. I don't deal with that at all. You're always left in the dark when you deal with the susu, with the flowers. So you really don't know what's going on in the flower boards. But this right here, everything is in full transparency. As you can see, these are the different boards: the $25 board, $100 board, $500 board, 1,000, and 3,000. When you finish the 25, you jump to $100 board. When you finish the 100, you jump to the 500. When you finish the 1,000, you jump to the 3,000. You get gifted from all of those. But I always say, after each board you finish, always come back to the $25 board so you can put more people in and help the board move up, because this these boards get pushed from the bottom. The $25 board is what pushes all of these up. So the more people you put on this $25 board, the quicker these boards will move up and the quicker you can get gifted. Imagine when you get to this $3,000 board, you will be gifted $24,000. I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, that's eight people giving you 3,000, gifting you $3,000. You can't go wrong with that. I mean, seriously, think about it. I mean, who wouldn't want that right now? We all need that. Even if you have money, even if you're doing good, that's still good money to receive, to be gifted. You understand what I'm saying? So once again, let's do a quick recap here. These are the boards that I was on, all the boards that retired. Full transparency. You see how it's going on. So far, I'm on this board. These are the $25 boards I'm on. As a matter of fact, I'm on two $25 boards. So I'm on this one, which is about to be retired, and also this one right here. I'm a junior in this one. Let me show you right here. This $25 board. All right, here we go. Boom. This $25 board, I'm a junior right here, so I'll be gifted on two $25 boards plus a $100 board. This is my son right here, Grim One. He's a sophomore, so he has to put on a couple of people. These four sophomore has to put on two people each, so there could be eight freshmen. Once there's eight freshmen, everyone will move up. Let me get this right here. Click, bam. Everyone will move up. Once there's eight freshmen and they gift the senior, C Stella, everyone will move up. D season four will have be a senior on one board. I'll be a senior on another board. So that's how simple it is. That's how it goes. That's why I say when you want to put people on, you want to put people on who have integrity, who have good responsibility, who are gonna do the right thing, who are not gonna take all day, a few days or a week to try to gift the senior. Like I said, when you're ready to gift the senior, make sure you're ready. As a matter of fact, it says it right here. Join the board only if you are ready to send the gift. Because if you don't, the senior has the ability to take you off the board and put someone else on, or someone else get put on who's ready to send the gift. I mean, why wait, a week or two when you can get gifted in a day or two? Let's make this move quicker. Let's make this a fact. Christmas is just around the corner. And why not receive these gifts so we can give more gifts to the people we love, and, the people that we in our family, our kids, our grandparents, our parents, our friends. I mean, why not? We all need this right now. Like I said, we're going through some time right here in this world is going through some things. I'm from New York. I live in New York. You see my shirt. I'm from Brooklyn. You know what I'm saying? I worked construction my whole life, 26 years. I'm retired. I got back problems, knee problems, shoulder problems, hand problems. I mean, we all worked hard in our lives, especially when you reach my age, 50 years old. We all have some sort of problem. You know what I mean? We don't want to work the rest of our lives when we should be falling back and retiring, enjoying a good retirement with our grandkids and our parents if you're fortunate enough for them to still be alive. So this is a beautiful thing. Let's help each other out. Let's do the right thing. Let's gift the people that need to be gifted, and we can really see good things happening from this. I mean, I see good things. Like I said, this is not your traditional susu or flower. Don't be afraid. Everything's in full transparency. You place yourself on the board. Everyone starts at the $25 board. It's just $25. It's not 100, 500, 1,000, or $5,000. This is a $25 board you start, and there's a $10 admin fee. But I tell you what, you click on my link on this channel, I'm gonna waive that $10 fee. So you're not gonna pay $35. You're only gonna start with $25 because I'm gonna waive that $10 fee. Don't worry about it. That's on me. And I'll activate your back office. Once I activate your back office, you could jump on the $25 board and begin from there. Like I said, look at these boards. Everything is shown to you. Full transparency. There's nothing hidden in the dark. These are the people, all your invites. You have the information here, and everybody here is on a $25 board. There's nothing hidden. It's a beautiful thing. I mean, let's get started. Let's get busy. Christmas is around the corner. And right now, we're supposed to be having another talks of another lockdown, another shutdown. So there's going to be more people getting laid off, more people working part time. We all need this. Let's all help each other out. Let's all do the right thing. This is the law of gifting and receiving, the law of reciprocity. So I say it right, reciprocity. I think I said it right. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, let's help each other out, man. It's a gift from God. You know what I mean, so to speak. Imagine giving gifts and receiving it back, and sometimes you receive it back two or three times, triple, quadruple. I mean, it's a beautiful thing, man. Let's make it happen. Let's make this work. And I appreciate you for watching the video. Like I said, once this video is done, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. It'll be greatly appreciated. And y'all all have a blessed day. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.